Is that good? Are those mac and cheese wheels good? Kylan, can you say more?
Sign Daddy more.
Can you say more? More? Good job. You already have plenty on your plate though. I really shouldn't laugh at this.
You hamming it up for the camera.
You should have seen it. He's got milk squirting out the side of his mouth.
I thought.
Handsome guy.
I guess he's eating like the football player, like the jersey he has on.
Yeah. Hey, Colin, say wow. Wow. Say go. Say go. Say mama. Colin, mama. Good job. What about dada?
You say mummo?
Say mummo. Mummo. It's close.
Mummo. Say mummo. Mum-o. Mummo.
Colin, can you blow me a kiss? Say mwah.
Mwah.
Mwah. That's close enough. Good job.
Oh, good kiss. Clearing space there, baby? Yeah, you clearing space.
Can you say bye? Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Colin, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.